Hey tribe, it's Kia from Heritage 93, and to all my seasoned tribers, you may already know what time it is. For those of you who are new, thanks for stopping by, and prepare to watch me give my nails a complete makeover. I'm so ready to show you guys this transformation, so without any further ado, let's get started. It's sleigh time. Okay, as always, I like to take a peep at the damage, starting with this pinky, which is actually broken. A thumb with a minor crack on the side that's further protected by some scotch tape in the clutch, you see? And then there's pointer finger, wrapped in a soft scotch tape cast as well, with a halfway in deep crack. It's okay, you'll be fixed in no time, promise. So that's the nail gig, but since this is more of the ultimate girly glam transformation, I decided to do something about the hairs on my knuckles. Why? Because she likes what she likes. And if I'm gonna do, why not use the goop, aka hard body wax, left to cool thoroughly before applying it to my hands. Now notice how thick the consistency is. It's giving us pancake batter vibes. Applying thin, runny wax is literally going to burn you and your skin. So be careful and mindful of that, okay? Yeah, and once it's dry, I'm giving you bling bling, and now it's time to let it rip off my hands with the hairs to go with it. Ah yes, and since there's a couple of stragglers left, I'm just gonna go ahead and pull them out with the tweezers before rubbing the slightly traumatized follicles down with some shea butter to reduce the inflammation. Now, heading back to home, here's the same old polish that's about to get tapped off with some mild acetone to reveal the natural nail once again. Here's another quick run through of what the girls are looking like. We got a couple of nicks, a couple of cuts, a couple of cracks, a bruise, but there are worse things, right? Side note, poor Pinky has been going through it, but she's getting through it. That's the key. You see this line here? That's from a clean break that happened weeks ago. Give this video a thumbs up if you'd love to see that fix it like nothing happened tutorial. And by moving right along, I'm gonna buff my nails to remove the dry, old, peely layers to help them have a natural glow. And now I'm gonna hit them with a coarse file to drastically change the shape from square to something more rounded, turn pointed. Okay, looks good for now. So next, I'm gonna moisturize my nails and cuticles with some cuticle oil to help lift away the crustaces with the cuticle pusher before heading back to the lab to rinse. And oh yes, tribe, it is time to get back down to the business with the suds, brought to you by African Black Soap Goodness, featuring that trusty spin brush goodness. Back at it again for the win. But you know, since it's been a bit of a while since I've polished the girls up, I'm gonna take some scrub to buff the girls smooth like butter before rinsing thoroughly. And now, back to home base once more because we got some fixings to make with the silk wraps and the nail glue. Like always, I like sealing the cracks first with the nail glue by itself before adding the silk wrap over top for extra protection. And after wrapping everything up with a 1, 2, 3, I'll use the brush on glue, a solid suggestion from the tribe, to give a little extra strength to these wraps. And now to take 5 and let the glue dry. But I can't even lie, after letting the glue dry, I decided to file the girls a little bit sharper to really get the point across, you know what I'm saying? Okay girl, now that we're looking the part, nice and sharp, you know I gotta add on the base coat to prep for these polishes, yes. And you know, I like these spring vibes we got going here, so I'm gonna go with a warm feminine palette to give us some marble mixed with glam, yes. And just a quick tip, I love to pack on the polish generously, okay? And give it a swirl and then repile the paint if I need a little bit more depth or contrast. As long as the polish is still wet while you're working, girl, you can't go wrong, so just swirl on, okay? And it's super cool because each nail comes out super unique, yet it still feels like it's a part of something, like a little family. You see what I'm saying? Yes. And then to add some quick, easy glam, I paint on these really cute dabs of glitter because it's only right. And now I'm repeating the same steps once more just for kicks. Pile on the color, stir up that swirl, and then quickly clean up behind yourself, the edges with the brush dipped in acetone, of course. Yes, cleanup crew, I see you. Clean that stuff up, man. Then dabble on the dazzle to get glowing. And for the sake of this video transformation, I sped up the dry time with the quick drying nail spray and decided to spruce up the undersides with a bit of color and glam before blessing the girls with a glam gel top coat to truly seal the deal. So here's the home base view, but here's the true close-up view I had to come through with. We're almost done, but can we just enjoy this moment?
She knows exactly what she needs, and she knows exactly what she's worth, because she's right.
So yes, I'm so excited to show you guys this nail transformation, and I hope you guys enjoyed it as much as I did and found it helpful. If you'd love to try out this look, definitely tag Hands by Heritage on the gram. I'd love to see the slay. As always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.
I know you got it, hey, but relax, keep calm, be cool, and just be smooth, cause you know she ain't gonna make it easy, cause you got a lot to prove, ay. Since she a real lady, I never have